The Premier of New South Wales in Australia urged residents on Tuesday to come forward for vaccinations or risk being left behind when the state opens up again. Gladys Berejiklian told reporters some freedoms will be restored once the state hits 70% of a double-dose vaccination, predicted to be around mid-October. She also said localized targeted strategies may be needed in the state in areas where vaccine uptake hasn't been as high. Earlier, around 500,000 of 4 million Pfizer vaccine doses, part of a swap deal with Britain, arrived in Sydney as the entire state of New South Wales is in lockdown. Currently, the state recorded more than 1,200 local infections and 8 COVID deaths in the last 24 hours.
Look, I'm very keen to make sure as soon as we've done the work and as soon as Health has had the appropriate input that we make our roadmap public. We're looking forward to hitting that 70% double dose in October, and that's why I can't stress enough how much we're encouraging people not to get left behind, because when we start opening up, it will only be those things that we've all missed will only be available to those who are vaccinated, and I just encourage everybody to do that. I don't want to put a date on it at the moment. We're still working on the detail. But it would be important to note that we've done a lot of work.
Hong Kong's top officials said on Tuesday the city will resume a regime allowing residents to return from mainland China without quarantine a month after it tightened restrictions following several outbreaks of the coronavirus on the mainland. Chief Executive Carrie Lam said from Wednesday up to 2,000 Hong Kong residents traveling from mainland China and Macau who have not been to medium or high-risk areas in China will be able to enter the city per day. These residents must test negative for the coronavirus prior to arrival and take several tests while in Hong Kong to ensure that they have not been infected. The quarantine-free scheme was initially suspended in August following clusters of coronavirus outbreaks across China, and residents returning from the mainland had to serve 14 days of quarantine.
如果佢唔係屬於呢個風險嘅地區咧，就全部由聽日開始咧可以恢復翻回港嘅安排啦。呢個計劃咧就將喺9月15日咧就正式推出，名額咧係深圳灣口岸同埋港珠澳大橋香港口岸每個口岸每日各1000人，咁即係話每天咧係合共有2000名非香港居民可以通過來港易咧